Hey there traders, Jason from ForexTradersLive.com. Wanted to go ahead and update you on something that we've been tracking here in USD Canada. And taking a look at this, as you can see, my little blue lines here are just some trend lines that I've been following, and they're not they're not designed to be accurate, I guess, in the sense that we've got an actual dollar figure that we're aiming for here, but just to give you an idea of the general flow of the channel as we move down. And as you can see, we basically, once we entered the channel here on about the 6th, we've just been bouncing up and down here in between the channel, and we're looking at a 120-minute chart, or basically a 2-hour chart here. And ignore my little red and green lines. This is a CE trade model. It's a proprietary trading model that we have here at Forex Traders Live that generates buy and sell signals. But that's on this chart because that's what I watch. But I want you to kind of look at the channels here so that I can show you. Kind of what we've been looking at as this continues to progress. RSI, really just muddling around the middle at about 50, so we're not oversold, we're not overbought, we're just kind of in transit here. As you can see, a lot of just narrow channel trading here in the last couple of days, and that's evidenced by our consolidation model, our CE consolidation and expansion model here that's formed up. Basically, what that does is it says, hey, we've got consolidation here, we're looking for a breakout. And so, the model's performing as it should, and as we can see, as evidenced by the chart, just a lot of consolidation there. Now what I'm going to do is bring in some Fibonacci tools, and we're going to take a look at what's transpired over the last several days. And so initially what I look at here is I got a really strong sore thumb high here, and if I bring in my Fibonacci extension tool, what I can see is I can see we had a pull down here. And a low on the 2nd, and then we had a quick pullback, or really more of a consolidation in here before a press lower. Now if I look at my Fibonacci extension tool, what I can do is I can drag from this swing low to the swing high here and then back, and I can see a termination point right at the 127 extension. As you can see, it was one, two, three, four, 5 tests of that 127 extension bottom before we finally got a pullback. And then the market pulled back. It looks like it pulled back maybe just almost to the 618, not quite to the 618. If I bring in my retracement tool here, go swing high to swing low. Yeah, just not quite about to the 50% retracement here. If I brought in the 50%, we'd see it end right there. But that's neither here nor there. That doesn't have a big concern for us as traders. But what we watch is this setup and this format happen, and as we continue on, what I look for is this swing high here down into a double bottom low. So if we get a break of that double bottom low, then where are we going? So I go ahead and I bring in my Fibonacci extension tool, swing high to that swing low and back again, and we're looking at we had a termination right here at the 1618. Now the question becomes, why the 1618? Why did we end up pulling back there? Well, if I look left, and I'll consolidate the chart out, and these are all things that you can use in your trading in order to kind of build strength of signal. But if I look here, if I look left, I've got structure resistance here, and as you can see, here and here are my 2 structure resistance points. Let me just draw them in there for you so you've got a real clear picture of what we're looking at. I got structure resistance here. Hang on. Got structure resistance here, and I got structure resistance here. Now, we had a break of structure down in, and now we are sitting on this, this structure resistance area right here at about 2,200, $1.22 even. Now, if I bring this out to a daily chart to kind of show you, in even more detail what exactly is happening here, it begins to become real apparent what it is that we're looking at and what we're waiting for. And I don't normally do this. I don't normally give out signals for free. Unfortunately, you know, in order to get at that kind of information, you've got to be a member of my course, or you've got to invest a little money for the free signals, or for, I'm sorry, a little money for the signals. But as you can see here on the daily chart, what we're looking at is we are right up against really a double bottom low here. First bottom came in on March 24th. Then we had a rally, and now we're looking at either a double bottom low here, and then a move back to the upside, or a press lower. Now, if we get a press lower, where realistically are we looking at going? Well, if I bring in again my tool, my line tool here, and I go from the swing high to the swing low, and I copy that and I paste it from this swing high to the swing low, look left. We've got structure resistance right here and right here. So we're going to look for a termination, if we get a break below for structure here, a termination somewhere around 118, $1.18. All right, so a good 400 pips of potential profit in this move if we do see a break below, close below this $1.22 price point. So keep an eye on that, guys, as you're continuing to trade. Watch what happens here. We go to a 60-minute chart. We see largely the same thing. We come down inside the channel, down to the bottom of the channel. We rally. We trade sideways. We come back down, double test these lows right against structure support here, and then a strong rally. So what we're looking for is some continued strength as we continue to drive down lower. Now, you know, as we close the gap on our timeline and we go from dailies to hourlies, our RSIs are going to change quite a bit, but still, guys, not overbought, not oversold, not really anything, just kind of channeling here right in the middle. So we're going to continue to watch this one in both the live trading room and in the daily updates that we send out. And as these begin to as these events start to unfold, we're gonna continue to put those out there to you. But basically, just keep an eye on this. We'll see if we get a close above outside the channel, or if we get a pullback here and we stay right inside, nicely inside of our channel. But that's it, guys. Just wanted to give you a quick update on one of the pairs that we're watching. If you want some more information, if you'd like to learn more about what we do at Forex Traders Live, please go to the website, www.forextraderslive.com. My name's Jason, and sign up for a free week in the live trading room. It doesn't cost you anything, and you get a feel for what it is that we do. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll talk to you soon.